What's going on, 3D printing enthusiasts? Are you tired of your prints failing because of moisture-ruined filament or messy manual color changes? Dealing with wet plastic can completely destroy the fun of making things. Today on Triplezon, we are checking out the best filament dryer to completely upgrade your daily printing setup. Let's get started. The Creality CFS filament dryer comes packed with absolutely incredible features to change the way you create your models. It is a true game changer for multi-material 3D printing, offering an incredibly intelligent and highly automated approach to handling your fragile filaments safely and efficiently. If you have ever wanted to step up from basic single-color prints to truly professional-looking creations, this is exactly the kind of hardware you need sitting right next to your machine. Let us talk about how this device effortlessly handles multiple colors at once. The Creality CFS filament dryer is specifically designed to fully support vibrant multicolor projects right out of the box. The system allows you to easily link up to 4 separate CFS units together. When you connect multiple units into one massive chain, you are enabling up to an amazing 16 different filament colors in a single print. This huge capability massively expands your creative possibilities, letting you print complex, highly detailed, and beautifully colorful models without ever needing to constantly stop the machine to swap your spools manually. Furthermore, using multiple materials also means you can print your complex models with dedicated water-soluble support filaments. Because of this clever capability, it completely simplifies your normally tedious post-processing work, providing you with incredibly fast and beautifully clean support removal. At the absolute heart of the Creality CFS filament dryer is a highly intelligent and user-friendly filament handling system. It cleverly uses advanced RFID tags placed on the spools to automatically synchronize right with your 3D printer. As soon as you load a fresh spool into the chamber, the newly inserted filaments are instantly matched to the correct G-code color directly in your slicing software. This extremely smart communication guarantees completely precise printing without the annoying need for constant manual software adjustments. This incredibly simple plug-and-play setup entirely removes all the frustrating technical guesswork from your busy workflow. It allows you to focus completely on your cool creative designs rather than spending hours fighting with complicated machine settings. Uninterrupted printing is an absolute guarantee thanks to the highly advanced built-in break and tangle sensors. We have all experienced the absolute heartbreak of coming back to check on a massive print only to find the spool hopelessly tangled and the print completely ruined halfway through. These incredibly smart internal sensors constantly monitor the physical filament conditions in real time as the plastic feeds into your printer. If a problem happens, or if a loaded spool simply runs out of plastic, the Creality CFS filament dryer steps in to completely save the day. It can automatically switch to a fresh filament and continuously relay print jobs without missing a single beat. This brilliant feature is a massive lifesaver for those incredibly large, highly complex multi-day printing projects because it keeps the machine running perfectly smoothly even while you are fast asleep or away at work. Finally, let us carefully look at the gorgeous external design and the highly effective drying capabilities. Ambient moisture is the absolute biggest enemy of high-quality 3D printing, causing ugly surface bubbles, excessive stringing, and terribly weak layer adhesion. To strongly combat this common issue, its tightly sealed internal compartments act like a secure heated vault for your materials. The front of the machine includes beautiful, brightly lit real-time temperature and humidity displays. You can accurately monitor the exact internal climate at a quick visual glance, ensuring your delicate filaments remain in absolute peak condition for every high-performance project. Your expensive plastic spools stay perfectly dry, incredibly warm, and completely ready to melt flawlessly into your next big masterpiece. Upgrading your material storage completely eliminates frustrating failed prints and annoying messy strings. Check the price link in the description to easily grab this amazing piece of hardware for your own makerspace today. Like and subscribe to Triplezon for more amazing 3D printing gear and awesome technology showcases. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and happy printing!